2025 BMW Z4 M40i marks a significant evolution in BMW's esteemed Roadster lineage, blending classic design elements with modern performance enhancements. A standout feature for this model year is the introduction of a 6-speed manual transmission, a nod to driving purists seeking a more engaged and tactile connection with the vehicle. Under the hood, the Z4 M40i houses a robust 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain enables the Roadster to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.2 seconds when equipped with the manual gearbox, offering a spirited driving experience that enthusiasts will appreciate. The manual transmission in the Z4 M40i is not merely a transplant but has been meticulously engineered for this specific model. BMW has incorporated M-specific gear sets and shafts, ensuring precise and responsive shifts. The shift lever and its connection to the transmission have been tailored to provide an optimal feel, enhancing the overall driving dynamics. Complementing the new transmission, BMW has introduced a staggered wheel setup for the manual Z4 M40i, featuring 19-inch front and 20-inch rear light alloy wheels. This configuration, combined with unique auxiliary springs and a reinforced anti-roll bar clamp, contributes to improved handling and stability. Additionally, the adaptive M suspension, variable sport steering, M Sport brakes, and an M Sport differential at the rear axle come standard, ensuring a balanced and agile ride. In terms of aesthetics, the 2025 Z4 maintains its sleek and timeless design, with options for custom exterior colors and leather trims, allowing owners to personalize their Roadster. The interior is driver-focused, featuring high-quality materials and the latest in BMW's infotainment technology, providing both comfort and connectivity. Production of the BMW Z4 has been extended until March 2026, indicating the brand's commitment to the Roadster segment amidst a market increasingly dominated by SUVs and electric vehicles. This extension allows enthusiasts more time to experience the Z4's unique blend of performance, luxury, and open-top driving pleasure. The 2025 BMW Z4 M40i, with its newly available manual transmission, represents a harmonious fusion of traditional driving enjoyment and contemporary engineering. It stands as a testament to BMW's dedication to delivering vehicles that cater to driving enthusiasts who value the connection between man and machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.